Hey MadMechanics, I'm Drew, a Mad Mechanic myself, and today we're here to discuss go-karts! The go-kart I have here, we're actually going to be bringing her back to life. I was trying to soak up some of the varnish that was in the tank. And then it's a 301cc Predator motor is what she is. It's a Honda clone. So what we're going to be doing is, I already checked her for spark. So what you're going to do is you pull the spark plug, check it for spark, and then really you can clean it off. You clean the electrode here on the spark plug and then just put it back in. So that's where we're at. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it back in. I did have spark though. I can pull and see if you want to see for yourself. I'll pull it while you see if it has spark together. So you want to pull the spark plug, hold it close with it attached to the coil. Then you just, I don't know if you can see that. But it does have a small spark there. And it does have enough spark to run the engine. This go-kart got in a wreck on Christmas Day about 4 years ago, and that's the last time they used it. So we bought the go-kart and we're gonna bring it back to life ourselves. Make sure it's snug. Doesn't have to be like overly tight. We just want to feel it snug. I have here the carburetor I ordered. This is the carburetor I got. Here. It looks the same as the one that's coming off, so just go ahead and close this up for a minute. We're going to be doing everything different. I know the go-kart looks not in the best condition right now, but we're going to be sanding it down, painting it. I'm going to be trying to find a little small engine turbo I can put on, so we're going to be doing some little high performance fix-ups to it. In the meantime, while I look for a turbo, the next video we're going to be sanding and painting. This is actually your choke lever. Now this carburetor has an inline filter, so I just want it to run. After it runs, I'm just going to replace the inline filter. Just to cut some of the time down. But replace your filter. Put your filter before you run her. Don't just run it. Put your filter, because you never know how long you've had your gas in. So just put a new filter anyway when you put your carb. It comes with the carb in the box. This is your filter. So install the filter in there when you get them. Right now I'm just going to run it, and then I'm going to take it off after the video. I'm going to take mine off and put the filter on it. But just now, so you can see the actual, like, just how to bring your go-kart back to life. Like, don't just sell it, don't just throw it away. It's not trash. You could always bring it back, make it run again. Most times the carburetor, and check the spark. You don't have to go to town on the bolts when you're tightening it in. It just needs to be snug. You don't have to like super tighten them like overly tight. Let's go ahead and put, if you notice here, the throttle cable is broken. So we have some work to do. We're gonna put new throttle cable, maybe some gauges, headlights, some, you know, some new paint and stuff. I don't know if we're gonna run a generator on this motor or am I just gonna put the turbo on it. Maybe I'll put the turbo with a generator so we can generate light power off of the engine itself. Grabbing some gas. I'm gonna put some gas in now and go ahead and fire her up. Let's see what she does. Let's see. At least we're putting fresh gas in. You've seen what was coming out. It's crazy. Now I'm not much gas, so hopefully I can get her to run for you in this video. Gas on, choke. I heard this thing hasn't ran in years, so let's see. Switch on. Open the choke, close it back. You have to warm it up because it's been years. Well, there you have it. A little fine tuning, but we're gonna get this thing really running, get it painted. You're gonna do the whole journey with us. We're gonna add a turbo. Stay with us, MadMechanics. Thank you for watching. Peace.